Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing NAS100 and US30. So before we get into the video, hit the sub button below. I'd really appreciate it. Guys, okay, now you're on the daily time frame on NAS100. So um, our last signal for NAS100 on our YouTube videos was very good. So now you can see that I've already laid out all my levels that I'm seeing. And from this point here, NAS100 has been pushing to the upper side. But if you were to look at this chart, we can see every time the market went to this area, it just went down. So what's going to happen? So like the same thing will never happen again, because the market won't like play in the same area for a long time. It's been a while from May to April to now. The market has been playing around this area here. So it's about time the market just break out to the upper side. So guys, forgive me for the extra noise or the background noise. Um, as you can see, I'm recording by 6, so people are already awake, so they are making noise. But if you look closely, you can see that the market always from this point here went down, went down, went down. But due to this level, because we not reached this area here, this shows us something is gonna happen. There could be a possible push to the upper side up until here. So on NAS100 will be looking for buying opportunities. So, and you can see here, I feel like we have on the daily time frame, we have a hammer candlestick occurring here. So this is what you have. So I'll just move to the lower time frame, which is the 4 hour. Okay, this is what you have. So as you can see, we had a beautiful line starting from here. Okay, just aligns perfectly. We had a beautiful trend line starting from there up until here, and you can see the first touch, second touch, and this was the third touch. So, but if you look closely, the market here failed to push to the upper side, to the lower side on the third touch. So this was not a very trend line, as it created this level over here. Let me just mark it out. So I'm just gonna like go to detail, each and every detail, so that we get the most accurate signal. So due to this level here, we can see it failed to push to the lower side. Hence, because this was even to cater for the lower trend line, this would have been our lower trend line. Should I put it like this, or like this, like this? This should have been our lower trend line. And you can see here also, the market not reached this area here. It reached this level and it went back up. And starting from here, the first support level, we can see it like going to the upper side like this. Uh, this is what you have. Like I've said, guys, excuse me for the background noise because our clean is already here, so he's cleaning. So yeah. Um, and I just want to record this video because it's been a while. We have been recording any videos on our channel. Okay. So this is what you have. We have first trend line, first touch, second touch, third touch, and we had a breakout here. So on this one here, let us move to the 4 hour time frame again. Let me remove this one because the this trend line that we have now is, for me, it feel like it's not valid. So I'll just start from this point here and push to the upper side. So this is what we have on the lower side based on this area here. So I'll just do this 1 hour time frame. I'm trying to be as accurate as possible, and you can see you have a beautiful this is like you're creating some sort of a triangle on the area there. So the market is going to play around this area here. So you're anticipating like a breakout on this area here and a push to the upper side. But we should anticipate if we to enter, let's just enter around area here, this area here, or after the close on this area here. If you see a huge close on this area here, you could just enter. But if you want to, you can just enter right over there, and our overall take profit would be right over here. So, and for our stop loss, because this is a long-term trade, we should just put it right here. So our trade will be like this, guys. So, okay, let's see. So this will be our trade. But if you wanted to enter the moment when you see a breakout here, it's fine. But just know it's quite risky because the market could just keep on playing inside this pattern before it breaks out. And placing pending orders is bad again when I say you enter here, because it could just like trigger it and want to go to lower side. But that's likely not to happen, so we are anticipating buy movements from this. Hence, we have this level here. So yeah, so that'll be all for NAS100. Let us move to US30. We are on the 4-hour time frame on US30. So if we were to look closely, we had this beautiful trend line pushing to the lower side as well. Let me use this. Has keep on popping up, so I hate it. So I just have to like do the premium one because I hate ads. We had first, second, third touch, it went down. But if you look here, you can see this level has been respected as well. I just cater for it. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, let me show you our daily time frame. To show you guys our levels, what we have. These are our levels, guys. So I've already made out the levels to make the videos shorter. So if you want to know how to draw the support and resistance levels, I've been saying this. There's a video here, guys. Just go and check it out. Okay, this is what we have for now on the 4-hour time frame. Let us move to the 1 hour. Because I'm not seeing anything, guys. You know, like when it comes to trading, guys, don't force anything. If you're not seeing anything, don't draw anything. Just be patient. Okay, I'm seeing this. But when you still have this zone here, big zone. So this level, this level. So still inside this level. And you can say you have this is another level here. Because let me use a blue light. Even if it's on the zone, just for you to you guys to see. We can see that the market has been failing to pass this area here for a very long time. It only passed it just come back, but now we are on this area here. So for this, we are also looking for buying opportunities, but it's still a bit of it's still early for us to enter or to say which direction the market will take, because it is possible that we hit this area here. Oops, it's possible for us to hit this area here and push to the lower side, or could just break to the upper side. So on your stay, you're gonna wait for a little bit. But if you were to see this, let me do this, guys. Let me do this first. Let me show you something. So if I didn't have anything on my chat, so this was going to be my thingy, my analysis. We have this level here. Yeah, this lowest level here. We'll have this level here, so that you can see what I'm talking about, guys, on your study, so you don't get confused or anything. I'm gonna use this now. I'm gonna be trying to be as fast as possible now, guys, because I don't want this video to be long. And guys, we are now back. the thing is, like, you should expect background noises from now on, because I'm not staying in my house. We are staying in a hotel now. So, like, you can't tell people how to live. So we just have to like record with these noises, guys. We don't have a choice. But I think we'll find someone or we'll make a plan. So, okay. Yeah. So this is what we have. So we have this on US30, and on the other side, can you see it here, guys? You see, can you see like we had a breakout? We had this, so we have a breakout here. So if we see a lot of more breakouts there, you could just wait for this kind of movement and buy. Thing is, I'm showing you guys we can buy only way up until here, not anywhere else. So if we were to analyze like this, forgetting that this area here is a huge zone, uh, this will be our long-term analysis. Hence, I'm not showing you guys to push to the upper side a lot, just up until here. But also on this one, we're looking for buying opportunities, because we had our first touch, second touch, third touch, and the third touch has this area here, and we have first, second, and on this touch it broke out. So if we are not going to come back inside the strand, this means you're going to the upper side. Hence I'm saying buy maybe around this area here when you see a retest or a retest on this level here. So there could be different scenarios, but if you think about it, it's the same thing. All you have to do is just be patient with this one. uh yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.